particle board production technology. The raw material for the production of particle boards is waste of plywood production. Veneer floor and pencil crushers and shelling shop producing 5x5 plywood. Wood, which is formed in the process of cutting raw plywood material, is processed into splints in a disc chipper. Wood of a thickness exceeding 400 mm are pre-splitted on axe. Splints that are produced on chipper veneer floor with wood chips from open storage are supplied to sieve sorting that separates coarse particles from the conditioned splints. Conditioned chips are supplied to the vertical silo by a transport system and then are grinded by shaving machines, then crushed chips are sent to the horizontal silos of raw splint storage. Big substandard splints that did not pass through the upper sieve are sent by conveyor to the fuel storage. From the horizontal silos of raw splint storage, raw chips are sent to drum drying units, where the drying process is performed. From there, it is sent by the smoke exhausters to the intermediate vertical hopper and further to the hammer crusher and sorter. The hammer mills crush chips for the external layers of the plywood. On dry sorted chips are sorted into 4 fractions: dust, shavings, outer layers, chips for the middle layer, and a coarse fraction. Sorted and crushed wood particles are pneumatically sent to the vertical hoppers for dry splints located above the mixer for external and middle layers. Further, in the processing chamber, chips mixer is mixing chips with a binder. Gummy swarf enters the dispenser and fills hoppers of 2 forming machines, which form a particle board package mounting chips on pallets moving on the main conveyor. Packages are passing, cold performed, and then fed to the weighing platform for weight checking control, and further are sent along the conveyors into a hot press. After the press, they are cut off on the sliding table to the size of the machine and are placed in a pack. The packs are held for 24 hours and sent to the grinding line and sorted. Sorted plate packs are sent to the warehouse, where kept for at least 2 days before being sent to the consumer or to the laminating station. Chipboard production technology. On the laminating side, chipboard is veneered by decorative films. Plywood is mounted on the roller conveyor and fed to grinding station, where the plywood and decorative film for lamination are joined and fed to the press. From the press line, plywood is sent to the edge trimming device and then to the control station, where the surface of the plywood is monitored by both sides. The operator sorts the plate on grades and they arrive at the packaging table. Packaged and labeled laminated boards come to the warehouse and from there shipped to the consumer. The control of plywood for strength, density, moisture content, swelling, toxicity performed in the laboratories. Quality control. All factory product is confirmed by quality certificates. Strict quality control is maintained at all stages of production. Also, the finished products in the factory laboratories are verified by various physical, mechanical and other parameters.